channel. My name is Caleb, and today is a super exciting day because I just moved into my new house. So in this video, I'm gonna give you guys a full tour of my new house, and I think the only appropriate place to start would be the front of the house. Finally, after so many months of preparation, I've finally been able to move into this new house, and I'm so super excited. We got a nice big front porch over here. We got some furniture we're gonna put up here, but this is gonna be a great spot to hang out and just hang out, hanging out with the boys. So this is what you're gonna see when you enter the house. It's so nice. One of the first things I noticed was these tall ceilings. It looks really cool. It's nice and wide open in here. This is gonna be the living room. So this is where we're gonna hang out with friends. We're probably gonna put a TV, I'm thinking that wall, and then couch, like a sectional thing over here. We're like half moved in right now. So I've got some of my stuff here. Tomorrow is gonna be the big moving day where I'm moving things like my bed, my desk, just large items. All the small stuff is here. We rented a U-Haul. We're gonna take care of that all tomorrow. This house is in Grand Rapids, Michigan, which is a very cool place to live. This house is actually very old. I think it was built in 1912, which when you think about that, that's over 100 years old. This house was here before the First World War, which is crazy, but it's been remodeled, so it looks really nice now. Probably one of the best parts about this house is this kitchen. Just take a look at this. This is freaking beautiful, guys. We got real granite, nice appliances and everything. This place is I really like the stainless steel look. Never had that before. We've also got this older wood floor. The whole house is wood floor. I don't think there's really any carpet. There's this hallway, which we'll go to in a second. But for the most part, this is all wood floor, which is kind of cool. It's gonna stay clean. So this hallway we're going into right now is the hallway to the side door. So there's a side door down here. Just a quick little hallway, nice little side area. And then this drops down to this little landing pad. And that right there is the basement. But we're gonna check out the rest of the house first. So now we're back to the area where we walked in. On the right, that's all the kitchen and everything. Just kind of a hangout spot, nice living room. And then to the left here, this is the downstairs bathroom. It's actually very nice. Everything's brand new, it's been remodeled. New floors. It's very nice in here. This closet, a coat closet, everything in here, that's actually gonna come in really handy. The winters here in Grand Rapids are pretty tough, so you gotta have a nice thick coat, but that closet's gonna come in handy. Over here is the hallway to the upstairs. Cool little hallway. It's a nice landing pad. We have a cat, so we're probably gonna put the cat bed right here. I'll introduce you guys once he is here. Then we have the rest of the hallway here. This little cool landing section right here. There's going to be 5 people living in this house, myself, and then 4 of my roommates, all friends. We're all going to school together, so that's pretty cool. I get to live with a bunch of my friends. We'll go through all these doors, starting with this upstairs bathroom. There are 2 bathrooms in this house. This is the one I'll be using because I'm living upstairs. Just, it's kind of a nice bathroom, whatever. So there's 4 bedrooms upstairs and there is 1 bedroom downstairs. I'll show you guys the downstairs bedroom after I show you the upstairs ones, but brace yourself. I have the smallest room out of everybody. I'm gonna show you the big ones first and then I'll show you my dinky little room. So these right here are gonna be the rooms that some of my roommates have. This is the street view. That's our front area. And moving along over here, this is just a second room, front area. And look at this. My roommate's got a window in his closet. That's awesome. Now this is the 3rd bedroom upstairs. Tiny bit smaller, but it's still got, a nice sizable closet and everything. I kind of like how this house has an older feel to it, and it's got things like this wood floor, but it also the walls are nice, the moldings and siding, everything's nice. Yeah, I like that, I like the older feel. So now that you saw all these big rooms, this is my room. It's kind of tiny compared to everyone else's room, and I definitely got robbed on closet space with this thing here. I don't have a second bar here, so I'm gonna have to figure something out. It's decently sized, but way smaller than the other rooms. I'm probably gonna have to put my bed right there, and then desk right there, and like that's about it. Got a mini fridge. Maybe it'll fit right there. Over the next week or so, we're probably gonna be shopping for like decorations and, you know, spice this place up a little bit. It's looking bland. This is just all my random junk that I'm gonna be bringing in here. It's kind of small, but I really don't want to be spending a whole lot of time in here anyways, so I don't really mind. And the reason why my room is so small is because I made a deal with my roommates. I said, hey, listen guys, I'll take the smallest room if I can have the garage, which is well worth it. Before we head outside, and I'll show you the backyard and the garage space and everything, I do want to show you this downstairs room in the basement. This downstairs room is right by the kitchen, which this is pretty cool. There's a huge closet in this room. This is like I said, this house is really old. So this house used to be heated by this like heating system. This goes straight into the basement, and there's it's a furnace. So you would heat up fire or coals or however they did it, and then open those hatches, and it would blow heat into the house. I think this adds kind of like a nice little like rustic appeal to the house, to the room. I like it. One thing that I noticed that this kitchen does not have is a pantry or anywhere to store like dry food, which is kind of upsetting. I'll have to use cupboards maybe, or we do have, maybe we can put a shelf in the basement or something. Yeah, so the basement is down here. It's kind of rough. It's an unfinished basement, so you know it is what it is. But it's old. It kind of, you know, it smells like 100-year-old basement, which is what it is. You know, we got our shelf here. That's probably gonna go like supplies or something. That's that old furnace I was telling you guys about. I mean, it's a basement. It is what it is. I don't plan on spending a whole lot of time down here. One thing I am going to do though is I'm going to build a gym down here. I'm probably gonna end up buying new equipment. I've got some equipment at my parents' house that I might just sell, get rid of that, and buy new stuff. I'm thinking that's gonna be like this area, and then I really don't know, but we're gonna have to clean this basement up a little bit before we really do anything. Like even like the walls are falling off. We gotta vacuum all this, and I don't know. Gym's gonna be coming soon. Really wanna have those at-home workouts. If we can also get like a mirror here and a mirror there. Like you can't lift without a mirror, you know? Like we gotta have 2 mirrors. So coming up from the basement, and we're gonna go out this side door. One thing about this house, which was super weird to me, is that it doesn't have a front driveway. The driveway to this house is in the backyard, which I'll show you that now. This is my back driveway. We're gonna have 6 cars here. So 6 cars total, including my 2, which I have one in the garage and then the Focus out here. Yeah, the outside of the house, not gonna lie, it's kind of rough. You know, like the paint's chipping, just stuff like this. Like it's not really ideal. Yeah, I mean like that should not, you know, you shouldn't be able to just pull paint off your house, but whatever. I mean, we are renting this place, so like there's not really a whole lot I can do about this. I mean, I'll see if the landlord will do something, but yeah, I'm not really sure. This isn't my house, so it's not like I can call the shots here. Backyard's kind of pretty sizable, honestly. Like, well, we might put like some backyard patio furniture here, just a place for us to hang out. We definitely need to clean all this crap up. There's just, you know, just piles of sticks, and, you know, spruce it up a little bit, mow the lawn, make it look a little more presentable. So this is a 1-car garage, but it actually is pretty sizable for being a 1-car garage. Here we go, boys. This is where the vet's gonna be living. It's kind of dark in here. I hope you can see this all right. But yeah, this is my garage. It's nothing super pretty, but this is gonna be the Corvette's home for a while. Yeah, like, I mean, there's kind of cobwebs everywhere. I need to clean all this stuff up. Definitely does not look like it was cleaned before we moved in, but you know, it is what it is. I'll clean this up. Got some signs. I'll do something to spruce this place up a little bit, make it look a little bit nicer. And there's actually a lot more room on the sides here than I thought. I thought I was gonna be like opening my car door and have to like shimmy along the wall, but it's actually a pretty sizable garage considering it's a 1-car garage. And we've even got like shelving units and stuff here. I did not bring any of my stuff to work on my car. I really didn't think I'd be doing much because I didn't think the garage would be this big. Might bring some of my stuff up, but I don't really know. So this is the house, boys. I am super excited. I've been talking about this a lot, and yeah, I'm so excited. This kitchen and like all the bathrooms, and this house is really nice. I'm really, really excited. Another thing about this house is that like being in Grand Rapids is like, there's always a lot going on. It's cool. I've never lived like in the city before, so that's like super cool. I get to do that. Hopefully we can meet a lot of new people, you know, bring some new content to you guys. That'd be awesome as well. But you guys are gonna be seeing a lot of this house. This is where I'll be living. I'll have to give you guys like a full update once I have like my room all put together, house all put together. But I just wanted to give you guys a nice walkthrough and tour before we got like 15 people moving us in and out here tomorrow, and you know, people everywhere. I just wanted to give you guys a nice tour, and then yeah, I'll show you guys my room and stuff later once it's put together. That's gonna be all for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know what you think about the new place. Make sure to smash that subscribe button if you want to stick around. Hit that like button if you like this video as well, and I'll see you in the next video.